Welcome to JADEN SHOW!
Hi friends! We have fire vs ice, treasure X, asking this. And please subscribe my video, and I hope you enjoy my video. And let's see what's inside. Wow! It's so huge! Oh, what's that? A map? What's this over here? Oh, what's this? I didn't know about that. Oh, it's so huge. The volcano. You're not volcano, a mountain. Oh, this the map. Okay, I'll see you later. Wow. There's soap. And this is for the water. And this box is not in it. Oh, and let's see the map. Oh, the map was big. It's huge. Fire vs ice. This one, do you see that? It's fire vs ice. Okay, so let's take the tool out. This is the tool. Awesome. Let's open it. Oh, I got the normal volcano. Awesome, the red volcano. And we got the key. Oh, we'll put it back. This, we'll put all in here. Second volcano. So soft. We'll put a little bit water to show it more. Oh, so soft. Let's go out. Can do it? Oh, it's kind of already. Let's see. Oh, here's the key. Okay, let's do it. Wait. Oh, the dragon. Let's see. Okay. Oh, we not do this. And it's so soft. Maybe you can dig now. And this is the dragon. And let's see if he can dig. Oh. Something is a yellow things. Do you see that? It's like yellow things. Maybe I got the dragon. Wow. And let's see what's inside. What's that? This is her hat. Oh, the hat is so huge. Let's put it in the head. So this is the dragon. This is so awesome. And let's see about this. Or maybe it's this stuff. Yeah. Oh, it's the water come out. Wow! This is a treasure. And put it in here. And this is the power. And let's see who is it. Oh, we found this one. Wow, it's so big.
Thanks for watching.